Guardianship is a scary word, especially to our elderly population. Talking about it is going to get you cut out of grandmama's will for sure. But it's a fact of life that as we grow older, our capacity diminishes. And with some people, it gets to a point where they're making bad decisions for themselves. They're allowing themselves to be exploited by others, even just the salesman that calls them on the phone and sells them a water softener that they didn't need, or the caretaker that all of a sudden shows up on their bank accounts. So in these type of situations, this is where guardianship as a legal proceeding comes into play, where the court will, on the petition of usually a family member, there's a procedure to determine if the person meets the legal qualifications or criteria for incapacity, meaning they lack the ability to make decisions for themselves. And if so, a guardian appointed to make decisions for them and take care of them and be responsible for them. So this is a difficult decision to make, and guardianship is the remedy of last resort. When I do planning for people, we do things, execute documents, and set up arrangements to avoid guardianship. And often guardianship can be avoided by means other than a guardianship proceeding, but sometimes it's necessary. And if so, it is a complicated procedure that requires expert legal advice. And I am capable of representing and advising you with regard to your concerns about an elderly person who may be subject to exploitation or may be failing and making bad decisions. Please don't hesitate to call my office.